How to create Genshin Impact account on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll teach you on how to create a Genshin Impact account on your mobile device. To create a new account on Genshin Impact, tap on Register Now from the login box. A new tab will open up, allowing you to register using your email. Enter a valid email address into the email text field, then proceed for the verification and tap on Send Code. Once you have received the email, a verification code will be attached to it. Enter the verification code in the text field and then proceed to create a password for your account. Ensure that your password is 8 to 30 characters long. After entering your password, confirm it by retyping it into the confirm password text field. Next, tap on I have read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy box and then tap on register. Following this, you'll be able to create a Genshin Impact account on your mobile device. Tap on the screen to start the game and enjoy. This is how you can create a Genshin Impact account on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you. See you in the next video.